Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we have 4 things to point out. So the first thing I wanted to highlight is Roblox adding a price chart for UG items. Here is a tweet by Bloxy News. Roblox has started displaying the price chart on UGC limited item details pages, which shows the quantity sold, the original price, and a graph detailing the recent average price, RAP, chart with the upwards trend. The first batch of UGC limiteds will be sellable beginning May 6. Here is another tweet by Roblox Trading News. Roblox has added a price chart and wrap statistic to UGC limited item pages. Additionally, wrap for UGC limiteds can also have decimals rather than only whole numbers. This update is currently rolling out to more users. Let us know what you think about this update. Now the second thing I wanted to point out is a very small update, but I wanted to show it to you guys and I found about it when Games with Raver tweeted this. Is this new? So Roblox updated their premium page and I'm not sure, but maybe it fixed the premium buying options problem. Anyways, third I wanted to point out is a rumor that goes about Roblox's promised anti-cheat update will ban Roblox FPS unlocker users. Well, here's what Roblox RTC tweeted. Roblox will not ban you for FPS unlockers, or shaders on Roblox. Stay alert of fake posts, warning sign. Now lastly I want to talk about what you saw in the thumbnail about the anti-cheat update. So many people were saying that the update was already here and there was footage of it already, but turns out this was all fake. Here is a tweet by Bloxy News. After further research and confirmation from Roblox employees, I can confirm that the news regarding the Bifron anti-cheat loading screen that was posted earlier today is fake. All posts I have made across my social medias will be taken down to avoid further spread. Apologies. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.